This is a big day and a proud day for our state. Arizona is leading America's semiconductor resurgence, and once again, we are proving why. Amkor is a vital part of this story, and today, the Arizona-based company is doubling down on its investments in our state and in our people.
Upon completion, Amkor Technology Arizona will be the largest outsourced packaging and test facility in the country, right here in Peoria, Arizona.
For Amkor, this new facility is more than a strategic investment. It's a fundamental step forward in our mission to deliver world-class semiconductor packaging and test services to our customers.
Today, we break ground on what will become the largest outsourced advanced semiconductor packaging and test facility in the country.
To do big things, you have to get dirty. You've got to work hard, you got to roll up your sleeves, and you got to make a difference. And I think that the Amkor team, thank you very much. The partners of the Amkor team, thank you so much for believing in them and what they're actually creating. You have our undying support, and we promise to work as hard as we can. Peoria is open for business.